Hi guys, thanks very much for joining me today. We are going to go through a video to show you the different dashboards, how to customize dashboards, add dashboards, and the different widgets options within those dashboards. So firstly, we will show you an overview here of your home screen. So here on the overview, you will have a default dashboard that you can choose from. So if you click on the switch dashboards, firstly, you can see different dashboards. Now, we'll actually pre-build dashboards on your account for you. So we will have reporting dashboards, website dashboard, social media dashboard, marketing dashboard, sales dashboard, and a project management dashboard. So just to go through just a few of these, which just to kind of give you an overview. Firstly, we'll just pick the website dashboard. So what we'll have done here is we'll have pulled specific widgets that will be in relation to your website metrics, so that you can quickly go in, switch your dashboard to see how your website's performing. Again, your social media, very similar. This will be built out for you to give you a quick overview and analytics on how your social media performance is going. Another one then is sales dashboard. So if you're an e-commerce customer, you probably want to have some kind of sales dashboard as your default, because you want to see how your sales are doing daily and weekly, monthly within your account. So you want to kind of keep a quick overview update on those. So again, you can see there's lots of metrics, lots of different information. We also have a marketing dashboard, which we ourselves use as our default. So you can see here again, it's more items that are related to marketing, like leads, funnels, lists, automations, and things like that. Now, before we move on, I can just show you this option here for share or export. So if you click on that, you can actually share a URL to a contact, or actually export the data onto a report. So that's just a handy piece if you want to pull information to analyze yourself, when you're logged out of your account. So next we are going to show you how to add or delete widgets so you can customize different dashboards. So for the example here, we're just going to use our marketing dashboard. So if we were to want to add a widget for new contacts, we'd simply scroll over here to the right hand side, click new widget, and what this will do is this will give us a drop down menu of all the different widgets that we have available that we can use on our dashboards. There's quite a lot here, but again, we'll go through these shortly just to kind of give you an overview of those. So to add a widget to a dashboard, it's very simple. You just click on the widget you request or you want. You just drag it down to your dashboard and let go, and then it'll drop down into your dashboard. Now, what it will do here is prompt you with the name of the widget. Usually we keep it to the title that is already there, as it's the default title. That's probably most accurate. But again, you can customize that and change it to whichever title you wish. So if you just hit submit, now it has been added to the dashboard at the very bottom of the dashboard. So an option here to extend out this information on the dashboard, as you can see it's in a half column here on the screen, is if you click the arrow, it will actually jump the dashboard down to the next dialog box, and it will show it on the full screen. So you'll be able to quickly see the information there on a full screen. Again, to reduce that, you just click the arrow and it just reduces itself to a half screen. Now, if you want to have your different widgets in different positions, it's quite simple. You just scroll up to the top toolbar of that widget, which I have on screen. You see the arrows button, and just click your mouse and hold and drag, and you'll be able to drag then the widget throughout the different locations within that dashboard to simply replace that on a different box within the dashboard. Now, to delete a widget within your dashboard, again, it's very simple. Just click on the gear icon. You have different options here. You can actually rename it or embed it into a different site, which you can speak to your project manager if you wish. But just for today, we're just going to show you how to delete. So it's quite simple. You just click on delete. The system will ask you to confirm. You hit confirm and your widget is gone off your dashboard. Very simple, very easy. Again, just drag and drop if you want to re-add it. It's quite simple, quite flexible, to customize those. Now, if you want to create a brand new dashboard, you would click your switch dashboard, and then if you scroll down to my dashboards, what it will do is it'll populate the list of all your dashboards. Now, if you have more than 5, you can just click on the show entries. So we'll just say 10 because I know we have 6 here. So now you can see all the different dashboards within the platform. Now, if you want to make any different dashboards your default on the home screen when you log in, it's quite simple. You just here on the column make default, you just click on whichever dashboard you want, and that will make that default. So it's quite simple and easy to change. So again, we're just going to go back to the marketing dashboard for intended purposes. Now, to create a brand new dashboard, again, very simple, very user friendly. You just click on new dashboard, and what it will do is prompt you to pick a name. So we're just going to say test, and we're just going to put the description of the dashboard as test dashboard. Again, this is all customizable, and you can choose whichever name and description of the dashboards you wish. You can easily make your new dashboard the default on your home screen if you wish by clicking this button and selecting that on, and what it will do is it'll override whatever is on your home screen currently, but for this one we're just going to leave that off. So when you hit submit, it will create the dashboard. There won't be any data in the dashboard, but again, we can easily populate this with whatever specific widgets you want. Again, just catch, drag and drop. Again, it asks you to change, or if you wish to change the title. As I said, we kind of recommend to stick with the title name, as they're pretty generic and they're, I suppose, most accurate of those lists. So again, drag and drop, let go, and it'll be down your dashboard. So very simple. You can go through your widgets, pick whichever ones you want on your dashboard, and populate it out as you wish. Now, on the widgets, we're just going to quickly go through these. A lot of them, I suppose, are self-explanatory by their titles. So firstly, we have events calendar, which links to your calendar, so you can see the different events that are taking place in there. Events list and task summary, again, are kind of linked to your pipeline management of your own marketing automation platform accounts, tasks, or different users' tasks. Automation is your analytics of all your automation rules. New contacts are new contacts added to your account, be it through different forms, or you adding them in, etc. List summaries are your different list summaries of your different customer lists. List history gives you a history overview of those. List growth of how they're growing and analytics of those. Conversion goals and conversion lists would be we set up within your account different goals that you have for maybe customers or internal usages, different triggers and things like that. So that'll give you the option to quickly go into different goals and see the analytics of those. And next we have lead funnels. So this will give you a visual representation of how your leads are going through the funnel process, how many are in the different stages and who they are, etc. Email campaigns give you an overview analytics of all your email campaigns and how they're doing. Again, social media insights gives you an overview of your social media performance. Social media feeds will give you the different feeds on your social media channels, social media followers, of how your growth of followers are going. Share social content of the performance again of list of your content that you're putting out there. Hashtag stream, again, on your social medias. You can add different accounts, so you can see your your overview performance of your Google ads and your Google analytics and things like that. So it saves you having to log into different multiple screens to be able to get the information. It's very easy to have it all here in one pane of glass on your automation platform, which is it just makes things just a lot quicker and easier for you. Landing page analytics of the landing pages you build within the platform to see how their performance is going. Again, site pop-ups, ones that you build within the automation platform that would be applied to your website to see the performance of how they're doing. The next few are pretty self-explanatory. It shows you the website visitors to your site, top pages on your site visited, and also top devices that are visiting your website. Next, we have referral sources of where your traffic is coming from. Next, we have social sources of where your traffic is coming from your social media networks. Paid referral of where your paid campaign traffic is coming from. Browser push notifications and browser push templates of how your browser pushes are performing with your visitors and opt-ins to those on their different devices. And then finally, we have quite a few different e-commerce pieces that if you have an e-commerce account on our platform in which is integrated into your e-com solution, you'll be able to quickly see store sales, top buyers, new orders, sales by country, retention, checkout funnel, and product search. We've also recently added 3 new widgets to the dashboard widget menu. First being revenue by campaign, where you can actually see the revenue per different campaigns within the platform. Revenue by automation, so you can see a breakdown of the different revenue metrics per different automations. And then finally, revenue by channel. Again, you can see the different metrics through the different revenues by email, automation, SMS, and browser push. So again, it gives you a really good overview of your performance of your e-com store, and how things are doing day to day. So you can quickly go in, have a check, know that the different metrics are working and how they're performing. So it gives you a really good overview. So that's just an overview video how to create dashboards, customize them. As you can see, it's all very simple, user friendly, a lot of quick drag and drop options. But if there is any dashboards that you're having trouble with, or new ones that you need a hand with building out, or anything at all, please feel free to submit a help desk ticket and we'd be delighted to help out. Thanks very much for watching your video today, and we'll see you on the next training video.